Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan UK. If you're new to our channel, I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll be showing you how to collect and save your chili seeds, so you don't have to buy chili seeds ever again. Without further ado, let's start collecting chili seeds. When you're harvesting chilies for seeds, make sure you're harvesting healthy, red, bright chilies. Now get a tray and some kitchen towel. Place a kitchen towel over the tray, and don't forget to label your chili seeds so you don't forget what chilies they are. I'm going to be calling them long Naga chilies. This is one of my favorite chilies. So I'm going to put a label on them just like that. Get a sharp knife. Make sure you wash the knife properly so we don't get any bacteria on the seeds. Now cut the chili thinly, just slightly, not too much, not all the way through, so we don't cut any seeds. And simply break the chili. Just like that, and remove all the seeds out. Get all the seeds out. Now, if you get a black seed like this, make sure you throw these seeds away. They're not good. Keep all the clear, bright seeds. Now, don't throw these chilies away. We're going to be making pickle out of these chilies. These are going to be a delicious Naga Morris pickle we're going to be making out of these. Akib's going to make the chili pickles. You can also dry them and then grind them to make your chili powder from these ones. Make sure you don't rub your eyes, otherwise you'll be screaming. Place all your seeds on the kitchen towel and don't worry about if you have all these bits on them. When they dry off, you can easily take them off and leave them on the windowsill where it's sunny and dry. Spread them around so they dry up quickly. Make sure they dry up properly before you store them in a container. Hopefully after 6 or 7 days your chili seed would have dried off properly. Then put them in a container. And don't forget to label your chili container so you know what chilies they are. We have been collecting many different types of different varieties of chilies in our garden. We've got about 20 different varieties. We have long purple Hasamuris, we have white Hasamuris, we have chocolate color Nagamori. So we've labeled them all and put them in a container like this, and these are for me to use. I'm storing them for me to use them for next season. But if you wanted to grow chilies out of fresh chili, that's perfectly fine, which I will be doing this season. I would be growing my chilies from fresh chilies throughout the winter, so look out for those videos. If you're wondering where is Akib today, Akib he's not feeling so well today, so I decided to make the video on my own today. I really hope if you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now on the next video we will show you how to overwinter your chili plant. We'll also Akib will be making his favorite Naga chili pickle. So if you don't want to miss any of those videos, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time we upload a video. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.